You've definitely seen these videos. A robotic-sounding news anchor talks about something crazy. It looks real, it feels real, and it gets millions of views. But guess what? It's not real. It's 100% AI. These fake AI news videos are going viral right now, since some creators are quietly making thousands of dollars from them. The craziest part? Most people think they're watching actual news. So what if I told you, you could make one of these viral videos in under 10 minutes, even if you've never made content before? And in this video, I'm going to show you the exact formula, step by step. No fluff, no guesswork, just results. But here's the twist. You're not just going to watch me make one. I'm going to show you how to generate your own with just one simple prompt. If you skip this video, you'll miss the exact method creators are using to rack up millions of views and earn income that doesn't stop. By the end of this video, you'll know how to create an AI reporter that sounds shockingly real, the easiest way to write viral scripts using a hidden prompt, how to edit and post it, even if you're a total beginner, and how people are turning this into 1,000s a month. This trend is still new, which means now is the best time to jump in. Let me show you how to be first. Let's get started. All right, here's how you actually make these AI news videos. First, you need a powerful prompt. I've already written one for you. It's in the description below. All you have to do is copy that exact prompt and paste it into ChatGPT. Hit the generate button and boom. In seconds, ChatGPT will give you 10 viral video prompts. You can use any of them to make your own AI news style video. Now that we've got the script, let's turn it into a full AI video. We're going to use a tool called VEO3. And here's the best, it's 100% free. Now, I've already explained exactly how to create your free VEO3 account in another video on my channel. So if you haven't seen that yet, pause this one and check it out first. Then come back, because next we're going to build your first viral video using AI. Next, go to the link I've shared below and create your free VEO3 account. Once you're in, follow these steps. Click Create Flow, then click New Project, and we're ready to build your video. Don't worry, I'll show you everything step by step. Once you're inside VEO3, you'll see a simple interface. Here's what you need to do. On the right side, you'll see a prompt box. Just below it, select Text Video as you're out. Then look to the left. Click on the 3 dots or line menu icon. This is where you choose how many videos you want. I recommend generating 1 to 2 videos. This helps you get different versions to pick the best one with good visuals and voice timing. Now for the model, choose VEO3 Beta. It gives the highest quality right now. Then just paste the viral prompt you got from ChatGPT. Hit generate and that's it. Your first AI news video will start generating, but don't stop at just one video. Go back to flow.lab.google.com, keep the same settings, and paste a new prompt from ChatGPT. Repeat this step 2 or 3 more times, because the more variations you create, the better your chances of making one that really goes viral. Download each video. We'll now move to the final and most important step, editing the videos the right way to boost watch time, hook viewers, and go viral. Let's jump into that next. Now it's time to make your video look like a viral short. We're going to use an amazing AI editing tool called Nexus Clip. The link is in the description. Go ahead and click on it. Once you land on the site, sign up, it's super quick, and log in. You'll see a simple interface that makes it crazy easy to turn your raw AI video into a viral TikTok-style short. Here's how it works. Click Edit Clip. Upload the video you just downloaded from VEO3. Once it loads, you'll see the full editor on your screen first. Let's create a hook that grabs attention right away. You can use the text tool to add bold titles at the top and bottom of your video. Adjust the font, size, and color to make it pop. Next, click on Stickers. And here's a powerful trick. Use the sticker tool to add your YouTube channel name or TikTok handle directly onto the video. Place it at the bottom or top corner so anyone who watches knows exactly where to follow you. This small step can help you grow your audience faster. Every viral view counts. Now here's where the magic happens. Now click on Stickers again. This time, upload your YouTube channel logo, TikTok logo, or any custom branding you have. This is a great trick to protect your content. It reduces the chances of someone copying and re-uploading your video. You can move and resize your logos anywhere on the screen. Make sure they're visible but not distracting. Next, scroll down and click on the Framing tab. Here you can control how your video looks, especially on mobile. If your video is long, you can split it, zoom in on important parts, and highlight key moments. Adjust the framing to keep your viewers focused on what matters most. Now click on Subtitles. First, select your language. I'm choosing English. And then hit Generate. In just a few seconds, Nexus Clip will automatically create subtitles for your video. You'll also get a few stylish subtitle templates. Pick the one that fits your vibe. Want to stand out even more? You can edit the subtitles, change the font style, size, and color to match your branding. Now that everything's ready, it's time to post. Click the share button in the top corner. You can instantly upload to YouTube Shorts, TikTok, or download the video to your device. And that's it. Your viral AI news style video is done. Let's check out the final result. That's it. Your viral AI video is ready. Follow and drop viral in the comments if you're posting today. Don't miss the next tool. It's a game changer. See you in the next one.
Japan's vending machines are not only reliable, but also incredibly safe. Did it just attack me? It's been raining non-stop in New York for the past 2 days. Well, there he goes.